The 2025 Audi RS Q8 Performance is the ultimate blend of supercar speed, luxury, and everyday practicality. With a record-breaking Nürburgring lap time, an aggressive new design, and the most powerful V8 ever seen in an Audi RS model, this super SUV is built to impress. Here's what makes it a standout in 2025. Under the hood, it packs a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, producing 631 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque, an increase of 40 horsepower and 37 pound-feet over its predecessor. This powerhouse launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds, competing with top-tier sports cars. An 8-speed automatic transmission and Quattro all-wheel drive ensure optimal traction, capable of directing up to 70% of torque to the front wheels or 85% to the rear for maximum agility. Setting a Nürburgring lap record of 7 minutes 36 seconds, 6 seconds faster than its previous version, this SUV proves its racing credentials. RS-tuned adaptive air suspension, optional electromechanical roll stabilization, and a Sport Quattro rear differential contribute to razor-sharp cornering. Standard ceramic brakes provide excellent stopping power, and an available RS Sport exhaust system with black tailpipes delivers an aggressive V8 soundtrack. The 2025 RS Q8 Performance makes a commanding statement. A striking single-frame honeycomb grille, larger air intakes, and advanced HD matrix LED headlights with laser light technology define the front. At the rear, dual oval RS exhaust tips and digital OLED taillights create a distinct look. The optional carbon matte optic package adds premium matte carbon fiber accents to the grille, spoiler, and mirrors. Lightweight 23-inch forged wheels, available in matte gray or gold, shave off 44 pounds to improve performance. New paint options like Ascari Blue, Saphir Gold, and Chili Red join familiar favorites such as Daytona Gray. Enhanced wheel arches, widened by 10 mm in the front and 5 mm in the rear, along with more pronounced side skirts, give it a more muscular stance. Inside, it offers a refined yet sporty cabin. Valcona leather sport seats with honeycomb stitching provide heating, ventilation, and optional massage functions for ultimate comfort. RS Design Plus packages in red or blue add colored seatbelts, Alcantara trim, and contrast stitching. Matte carbon, twill inlays, and a 12.3-inch virtual cockpit plus ensure an engaging driving experience. A dual touchscreen MMI system, 10.1-inch upper, 8.6-inch lower, controls navigation and climate, though the screens can be prone to fingerprints. A head-up display and a premium 17-speaker Bang & Olufsen sound system enhance the cabin. With spacious rear seating and a generous 605-liter trunk, the SUV remains practical, though some find the interior's styling more restrained compared to the bold exterior. It delivers a range of driving experiences. In comfort mode, its adaptive suspension smooths out road imperfections, making it ideal for daily commuting. In dynamic mode, it transforms into a track-ready machine with sharp handling, rapid gear shifts, and a roaring exhaust. While the 8-speed transmission is smooth, downshifts and relaxed driving may require firmer throttle input to unlock its full potential. This SUV competes with the Lamborghini Urus in terms of thrills while being more affordable, starting at $137,495 in the US compared to the Urus's $200,000 plus price tag, all while offering family-friendly space and long-distance comfort.